What's better than a cute cat? Antonio Banderas pretending to be a cute cat. The Shrek multiverse is frankly the only one that makes sense right now. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. This is my channel. You're watching a movie review, and right now we're talking about Puss in Boots: The Last Wish, now in movie theaters. पुस इन बूट्स 4 श्रेक मूवीज के बाद स्पिन ऑफ बन के रिलीज हुई थी 2011 में, and I remember enjoying the hell out of that movie. Salma Hayek was Kitty, Zach Galifianakis was the bad guy, Guillermo del Toro had a role. Manje, what fun! अपने खुद के बनाए स्टैंडर्ड को बीट करने इस बार कास्ट में एंटोनियो सल्मा हायक के साथ ओलिविया कोलमन, फ्रिकिन फ्लोरेंस प्यू is Goldilocks, the daughter of the Bear Crime Syndicate, and just so many more. This movie is a riot. This version too, because the protagonist is a swashbuckling, sword-toting, renegade feline, isn't quite for the Frozen Coco or Moana watching 6-year-old, but for a more mature audience with better understanding of stakes, backstabbing, rich versus poor divide, and frankly a little bit of world politics. ज़्यादा नहीं, मतलब 2-3 चम्मच आना चाहिए. Puss and Kitty दोनों का modus operandi है कि क्यूट शक्ल बना के काम करवा लेते हैं, पर असल में they are fully jaded, kind of benumbed outlaws जिन्होंने दुनिया देख ली है पूरी. There's a reason why they're voiced by actors in their 50s and 60s. बच्चे या young adults नहीं है ये दोनों, और ये मूवी भी कोई म्यूजिकल नहीं है. Nobody is singing about the joys of discovering the world, love, music and colors like the madrigals. And in this lies Puss in Boots की uniquely unparalleled win. It's a serious story about thieves and orphans trying to make a living in the world designed to favor the rich and powerful, and yet it's told via enchanted forests and magical maps. In fact, इस वाली में तो we spend ढेर सारा time with the character Jack Horner from the poem Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. और इस adult Jack के घर में सब है. सिंड्रेला के जूते से लेकर अलादीन के कारपेट तक, एलिस इन वंडरलैंड के मैजिकल कुकीज से लेकर मेरी पॉपिंस के जादुई बैग तक. So the film invites you to take a stroll down memory lane. याद है जब गोल्डीलॉक्स और 3 बेयर्स के बारे में पहली बार सुना था बचपन में, तब कैसी लगी थी ये कहानी, और अब एज अडल्ट्स क्या वाइब्स आती है सुन के. And just as you find yourself relaxing in the colorful, simpler areas of your own brains as a 30-year-old something, thinking कि अपने बच्चों को मैं कौन सी कहानियां सुनाऊंगी, कभी तो bam, meet the big bad wolf who may or may not be from the Little Red Riding Hood stories, but as a bounty hunter here is the physical embodiment of terror. मतलब बंदा 2-2 साइड पकड़े ऐसे सीटी बजाता हुआ चलते आता है. बचपन में अगर मैं ये देखती ना तो नींद नहीं आती एक हफ्ते तक. It's very scary.
You're Puss in Boots? Let's talk.
No hablo inglés.
Puss in Boots will show you unicorn horns, but also tell you they are literal hand grenades blowing people up like a piñata, leaving behind a shower of confetti. The writing is exceptionally witty, action sequences choreographed to Hollywood filmmaking perfection. The movie opens with a majestic song which turns into stunts. A new style of animation enters the fray as Puss realizes he's lost 8 lives and this is his last one. Existential dread creeps up and he realizes that finally he's old and will die. Also, this might be the first time I've seen an approachable, funny character like Puss have an actual full-blown panic attack on screen, not played for jokes. The surprising note of introspection this movie offers up caught me entirely, well, by surprise. We are forced to think about our own problems, and if they are of our own making, what would I do if I had the opportunity to go back and relive my whole life again 9 times over? A dog who accompanies Puss and Kitty on their quest to the dying star might come across as the donkey from Shrek type, or Sid the sloth from Ice Age, a simpleton only there for jokes and physical comedy, lekin you won't even realize when this perito becomes the moral compass of the whole movie. It's just so beautifully scripted, structured. Weekend per, if you find yourself looking for something to do with family or with your adult friends, frankly, पास में लगी है तो ये फिल्म देख कर आएं. There is not a single dull moment. You will not regret it.
Still alive? Let's go find out!
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Puss in Boots: The Last Wish is 9 lives होती है बिल्लियों की, ऐसा कहते हैं. Where did this originate from? पता है आपको? बताओ comments में. I have no idea. जाने से पहले रिव्यू को यहाँ like करके जाइए. Hit that thumbs up button, and as always, my name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.